Morning from the Mourne mountains again. First Saturday out in January. And as you've seen, let me see, any light there. We parked up at Bloody Bridge car park. We were for doing Slieve Lamagan this morning from Carrick Little, but we got there and unfortunately the car parks were gridlocked. So we came back on ourselves. Bloody Bridge. We're going to do Slieve Donard. As you can see, it's a cracker morning at the moment, and it is given clear up until early afternoon. I'm out with Neely and wee Joe. Stephen's away Sherpa. He's away shopping at Belfast today, so have a good day. Do a couple of check-ins on the way up here. Whew. Kicked on the right wee pace out to start off with. It's a mile in, like 25 minutes, not bad. Just going to start shedding the layers. Cracking morning so far. We left Bloody Bridge, I think it was 7 degrees. And I touched on it there in the last clip. It's given clear all morning, early afternoon, so we've all day at this. I hope we get some good views out in the Newcastle when we get up to Donard. But like I say, I'm going to shed a layer, get them out full of water and then kick on. Quality bit of sunlight hitting there. It's now 10 to 9. The sun's coming up about 7 minutes ago. Hitting Slieve Donard down the distance. Cracker morning. I'm down in behind it. Out towards the Irish Sea. St John's Lighthouse and stuff. I've done it before. Done Chimney Rock. Let me see. Start of November time. Same similar sort of morning, cracker. Great views from up there. I'll put a wee link in now, top of the screen. Next port of call, I think we're going to stop at the quarry here. Get a wee bite to eat, banana or something, then kick on towards the wall and then up Donard. Let's see. So we'll be going up there, that ridge line there. It's pretty steep, it's probably the steepest side of Donard maybe to come up, but there was a rush change of plan this morning, but we're out getting it done. Snapping to have a wee look around. In the morning like today, you do need to take a look around. Donard there. Cross Mourne. Quarry. A lot of people probably just stop in around here, get a sandwich break or something. We stopped about 5 minutes before. Kicking on again. Next stop, a wall. What a morning. Sort of glad we did change up to come to Donard. With Binion in the distance, Slieve Binion, sorry. coming over Lamagan, Cove Mountain, I think, and then Beg, Slieve Burn in the distance. Commodore with a dirty big cloud, and Slieve Donard where we're going to. The boys are poured on. Not for the first time today, left it behind. But hopefully this will just blow over, and this not going to come to nothing, hopefully. This one here, even though it does look a wee bit menacing, but we're going to push on. Probably the hardest side to climb Slieve Donard, but we'll give it a go. We're not out to break records. Not too sure if you hear me with the wind or not. It's a good pull, this one. I'm not too sure if we're getting any use of the top of Donard or not. I'll spin you around. It's blowing this way, so by the time we get up here, I'll think we'll be wide out. But I'll get up, touch the car, by date. Slog on here. Last point, Nornad. Finally made it. That was a slog. 2.5 hours. It's actually not a bad view up here at the moment. Might be on a bit of a cloud version, but we'll go touch the top, come back there and get a bite to eat. Storm. Breakfast and all had. Plenty of water on board. Still out of breath a bit. Lovely morning, fresh. Hands are starting to go a bit. Clouds coming in and out, but we're getting some good views. Up here this morning. I'll be honest, I'll probably not even video on the way back down. I've done it up here a couple of times. Just sort of want to enjoy it on the way down. So I might just leave it here, or just do a wee check-in down to the car park, or if anything major happens on the way down, but fingers crossed it doesn't. So cracking Saturday morning as usual. Stunning views as well. I'll just leave you with these. Clouds just coming in. Whew. That's the first one done of the year. Slieve Donard. Lovely morning. Didn't do much filming, but I've done it before this way. I'll put a couple of links in the description and up in the corner. Cracking views, bit of bait in the air. Nice to get back out and get the steps in. Had a new jumper on today. Very nice, so it was. Stretchy material, quick dry material and all that there. Coming on to 7 mile. I might actually put the relive on at the end, just for clarification, but by the time I get to the car park it should be 7 mile. So stick around, next couple of weeks hopefully get a couple of camps in, and like I always say, I'll see you back out next Saturday.